Milan, Italy's beating heart of style, luxury, and innovation, is more than just the world's fashion capital. Wander through elegant streets lined with designer boutiques, admire the breathtaking Duomo rising with Gothic splendor, and feel the pulse of modern life in its bustling piazzas. Milan blends centuries of history with cutting-edge creativity, where art and architecture meet futuristic energy. From sipping espresso in vibrant cafes to discovering masterpieces like Da Vinci's Last Supper, every corner tells a story. This city is a captivating blend of heritage and progress, an experience that captures the spirit of Italy's sophistication and ambition. Venice is a city like no other, where streets are canals and history floats serenely on shimmering waters. Step aboard a gondola and glide past palaces, churches, and hidden courtyards that whisper centuries of stories. The charm of St. Mark's Square, the echo of footsteps on ancient bridges, and the quiet romance of secluded waterways make Venice timeless. Beyond the tourist bustle lies an enchanting labyrinth of art, music, and Venetian elegance. It's a city suspended between dream and reality, where every ripple tells a tale. Venice isn't just visited, it's lived, remembered, and forever etched in the heart. Varenna, nestled on the eastern shore of Lake Como, is a romantic haven where nature and charm embrace. Its pastel houses spill down toward the sparkling waters, while narrow cobblestone alleys reveal cozy cafes and hidden gardens. The scent of flowers drifts through Villa Monastero's lush grounds, and sunsets bathe the lake in golden light. Peaceful yet vibrant, Varenna blends lakeside serenity with Italian elegance. From strolling along the Walk of Lovers to watching boats glide across Como's shimmering surface, every moment feels cinematic. Varenna isn't just a village, it's a timeless escape into beauty, tranquility, and enchantment. Toledo, Spain's city of three cultures, is a living museum of history and art. Perched dramatically above the Tagus River, its medieval streets twist through centuries of Christian, Jewish, and Muslim heritage. The city glows with Gothic cathedrals, Moorish architecture, and Renaissance treasures. Every stone tells a story of kings, warriors, and artists, most famously El Greco, who found inspiration here. From the Alcazar fortress towering above to the intricate craft of Toledo's swords, the city is steeped in character. Walking its ancient cobblestones feels like stepping into a storybook, where past and present merge in captivating beauty. Cinque Terre is Italy's colorful jewel, where 5 picturesque villages perch dramatically above the Ligurian Sea. Connected by winding trails and sparkling waters, each village tells its own story. Monterosso's beaches, Vernazza's charm, Corniglia's quiet vineyards, Manarola's romance, and Riomaggiore's dramatic cliffs. From hiking the rugged coastline to savoring fresh seafood and wine, Cinque Terre is a sensory adventure. Vibrant facades gleam under the sun, contrasting against azure waves below. It's a place where time slows, and nature and tradition blend seamlessly. Cinque Terre is not just a destination, but a painted dream set against Italy's unforgettable seascape. The Amalfi Coast, viewed from the sea, reveals Italy's dramatic masterpiece. From the turquoise waves, the coastline rises with sheer cliffs adorned by pastel-colored villages clinging to the rock. Amalfi, with its charming harbor and majestic cathedral, welcomes travelers with breathtaking beauty. As boats drift along the shore, hidden coves, lemon groves, and cascading terraces emerge, painting a picture of paradise. The sea journey offers a perspective that land cannot, a sweeping view of nature's raw power softened by human artistry. Amalfi Dal Mare is more than a destination, it's an unforgettable voyage of colors, cliffs, and coastal wonder.